Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering strong, lightweight fabric and exact measurements so panels deploy evenly. Get ripstop nylon and cut 8 equal gores. Once cut, align edges precisely and mark seam allowances 1 cm. This prevents uneven drag. Make a reinforced center ring by folding a 10 cm nylon circle twice and stitching. This transfers load to lines. While cutting, keep edges clean and melt tips with a lighter to stop fraying. And prepare your lines, sorted by position, before the first stitch. Now construct the canopy by sewing gores into a single dome. Sew slowly and keep curvature consistent so air fills symmetrically. Once sewn, create small reinforced tabs at each gore base and thread suspension lines through the center ring to each tab, using a jig or tape template to maintain equal spacing. Unequal lengths cause spin. Bar tack or box stitch each attachment and add a dab of seam sealer. This balances strength and abrasion resistance. Test line lengths on a flat surface before finalizing. Finish by attaching risers to grouped lines and connecting a secure harness or load hook. Inspect every stitch and melted edge for weak spots. Perform a static ground load test at 2 to 3 times expected payload, then a low-altitude drop test in controlled conditions to observe inflation and drift. If you see asymmetric descent, one key fix is to check line lengths and trim the visibly long line by 1 to 2 centimeters, then restitch and retest. This small correction often stops spiraling or persistent yaw.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.